Hello YouTubers, I'm standing here with Andrew. Andrew's got a YouTube channel, the Cyclekart Adventure channel. So today we're checking out Andrew's race car. What is this?
It's a Cyclekart. This one is called the Vulture,
Yeah.
because it was made of scavenged material, so it's a scavenger. And it's a Cyclekart, so it's made to look like a pre-war race car.
Okay.
And it's made on the cheap,
Yeah.
so that anybody with a bit of enthusiasm can get into it.
Right on. And on average, what kind of speeds are you going around this crazy dirt track?
Well, we didn't really have a chance today to get it wide open, but we did on Monday of this week, and I actually speedoed. I put the speedo in my pocket.
Yeah.
And we got to, on the BTB oval, we got to 75 kilometers an hour.
Awesome.
And the quickest I've ever done, and it was a fairly long straight because these things are not, fast like real cars are fast, but 87 kilometers an hour.
Wow.
And that was let me tell you something, 87, this thing feels like 187.
Well, your speedometer is stickers.
It is indeed.
What's the official name for this?
We're at the Ontario Speedskating Oval.
The Ontario Speedskating Oval. And yeah, have fun everyone.